Hi, tutor and mate. My name is Cristian Munoz. This is a task 7 recording and reading. The emotional state are feeling that often intense, last for only a short time, and clearly direct, or caused by someone or such circumstance. Positive emotions include joy, pride, relief, love, and compassion. We must share positivism and joy to others by always trying to be positive and cheerful. Negative emotions include anger, anxiety, fear, guilt, sadness, envy, and disgust. 2. Minimal pair. Cat, bat, whiz, read, kid, Nike, take, stick, cut, cup, pin, bink, till, pill, teach, pitch, day, pay, dick, pick, deal, peel, duck, boot, day, bait, toll, call, tool, cool, tape, cape, toe, coat, town, gown, tie, guy, tap, gap, to, could, tack, gat, table, gable, think, fin, tell, fell, tongue, fun, thick, big. Intonation, statement with one stress. She works, will loud, it stop, statement with two stresses. Tony is reading, Mike is sleeping, the car stopped, the weather has changed, statement with three stresses. Children like to play, boy is reading a book, the weather is going to change, statements with four stresses. She wants to buy a new car, she wrote the letter very quickly, the teacher told her student a story, statements with five stresses. Alice wrote the letter very quickly, Victor is going to London next month, Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. Special question following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest, politeness, rising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question, rising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question, rising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? That question, falling and rising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, had they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Common falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request, rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence. Falling intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address, rising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tommy, where are you? Enumerating, rising intonation. I brought bread, cheese, and two tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Response. I can, she is, he will, you should, I can, he didn't. Thanks for your attention. Have a good day.